Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. So today in this video is going to be an inspection of the car, now the carpet is removed, and just to show what we have to do to the car before we can put the carpet back in, ideally. So today there's going to be a lot of prep work in there, a lot of prep work to get this car ready to have the carpet put back into it. Quite a bit of prep work actually, to be honest. A bit more than I anticipated, but you know, we'll get there and we'll get it done. And again, yeah, just a bit more rust than what I thought there was going to be. I mean, I knew the car's a rust bucket already. I mean, we know that already, but yeah, today we've been showing a little bit more rust, and yeah, just need to do a bit more prep work and show you around what else needs doing in this car now. Okay, so we're going to start on the passenger side just here. So we're going to look here. Okay, in the corner here, really not comfortable leaning on that. So in the corner here, there's a bit of rust over there that needs to be done. So that will probably be a carpet out job, but that's not important just now. Like, obviously we can come back and do that a different day. One thing I have noticed, this little tray thing here is bolted in here and over there, and it covers all the wiring so you don't damage it. Now it's going to need a bit of a paint job. Yeah, it's nothing major, but that's showing kind of rust. That's curable, and if we get that, we've got to it in time, so and that'll be repairable. And then look at these, the floor mount for the seat. Again, we've got to it just in time, I think, so we should better paint them up and repair them. And that one as well needs the exact same job. That will clip taken off in place, and again we're just going to spray them up and hope that should be enough. I mean, it will be enough. Just give them a bit of paint and yeah, make sure they are good to go. No idea what this purple wire is for. It's not original, that's for sure. Oh, that may be for the alarm they had in there, for the door hinges maybe. It might be when that's going up running into the door hinges. It looks very corroded if you look over there. Into the front seat mount is actually pretty good condition in this car. There's a bit of rust on that beam that we can go out with a little douse of paint, nothing major. The floor rug thingy here, where the floor rug connects into, a bit rusty. I'm not really too bothered about it. If it breaks off, it breaks off. We don't really need it for the rug. That will stay put regardless, so that's fine. Look, all the trim pieces in the way, unfortunately, you can't really see, but the seat backrest or the frame, that does need a bit of work. That is a little bit rusty. Again, you can't see it all fully, but so we're going to have to treat that, and again give that a bit of paint. So there's nothing we have to do. Okay. Now we come on to the driver's side of the inspection. It's going to be just a quick video. I'll probably do most of this off camera just for speed. I'm not sure why, but there's a hole in the floor here, just there, and it's not on that side. So I'm guessing someone maybe drilled a hole through the floor. Yeah, I'm not sure why. So that might explain why the carpet was soaked on this side, and the water was probably getting in. So we need to deal with that. This is all pulled away, so I'm actually going to break all this deadly material. So I need to get underneath to see if there's any rust. I won't break it all. I'm just going to break this back half along here, just to double check. The rest of it I'll leave. If there's no evidence of rust around here, there shouldn't be any further place up. But especially around here, where it's gone underneath, I'll break that up and clean it. So this side it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It just needs work though. And then that one there, again, that's for the floor rug, floor mat, the clipping. That is completely broken off. Again, I'm not going to repair or replace it. It's not really important. Not really going to set the effect too much by not being connected. Yeah, this is just going to be a quick video. Like I said, just an update really of where we stand inside the car. I might do I might include the aftershocks actually in this video after I repaired it all. I'm not going to film doing any of it. It's just going to be long, tedious. It's just, yeah. Essentially, all I'm going to be doing is spraying a load of stuff, cleaning that back down, spraying it back up again, and just giving it a bit of protection. So yeah, I'm not going to film any of that. Well, actually, yeah, I'm not going to film any of that, but I will bring you back and show you the after results after it's all done. Like I said, that's going to need welding. I can't do anything about that myself at that minute. I don't have a welder, but I will put some rust treatment on it to stop it from rusting any further, hopefully. And yeah, I won't spray it, but I will, like I said, try to give it some rust treatment and just hopefully stop it from progressing any further. I mean, it shouldn't do. Now the roof's pretty much all sealed. No water can get in from the top anymore. But it just feels like that hole, that dust needs to be blocked off the water can get in. So I'm actually going to end the video now, and then the aftershocks will be included before this, but I'm going to end it now. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like, and if you could really like help the this channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, every time I release a video, you'll be notified of it straight away. Which, again, if you like my content, that would benefit you. Can use that for search, or it will automatically come up on your feed, especially if you click the bell as well. On the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.